Now let's consider, that is question 8a, says that WASSCE 2021, a solid metal cylinder of height 6 meters and diameter 28 centimeters is melted and recast into smaller solid cylinders. Each of the smaller cylinders is 14 centimeters high and 0.5 centimeters in diameter. How many smaller cylinders were obtained? Now, the solid metal cylinder was melted or was recast to form the smaller ones. So for us to get the number of smaller ones gotten is going to be the volume of the original one, which was recast, divided by the volume of the smaller one, and this will give us the number of smaller ones that we are going to get. So let's consider the original one. So that one we have we are given that the diameter, we're given the diameter, and then the diameter is 28 centimeters, and then the height is 6 meters. But then this 6 meters, we have to change it so that the unit becomes the same. So how many centimeters make 1 meter? We know 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So clearly, this is just 600 centimeters. Now, we know radius is diameter over 2. So what is the diameter? We have 28 divided by 2. So clearly, this is 14 centimeters. Now, so volume, we know cross-sectional area times the height. So volume, that is cross-sectional area times the height. Now, what is a cross-sectional area? The cross-sectional area, that's a circle, so we'll say pi r square h. Now, what is our pi? We're given the pi in the question to be 22/7. Radius is 14, so that is 14 square. And then the height is 600 centimeters. So when we use our calculator, this is giving us, that is 369,600 centimeter cube. That is volume of the original one. Now let's see the smaller one, the smaller ones. Now the smaller one we have, let's suppose that this is just a sketch of it. The smaller ones, we're also given the diameter. Now we are being told that each of the smaller cylinders is 14 centimeters high. So from here all the way to this side, that's 14 centimeters high. And you know that this one, that's from here all the way to that. And then the diameter is 0.5. Diameter is 0.5 centimeters. Now, diameter is given. We want to find radius. Our radius is diameter over 2. And then this is 0.5 over 2. And that is 1/4. That's 1/4. Now, volume. So the volume of the smaller ones is equal to, that is pi r square h. And pi, that's 22/7. Radius, 1/4 square. And then the height is 14 centimeters. Now, when we work out this on a calculator, we are going to get, that is 11/4. Now, number of smaller cylinders obtained. The question is, you find the number of smaller cylinders obtained. Number of smaller cylinders obtained is going to be the volume of the original one over the volume of the smaller one. Now, what is the volume of the original one? That is 369,600. So we have 369,600. How many zeros? Yeah, that's 2 zeros. We shouldn't forget this is also centimeter cube divided by 11/4. And this, when we work this one out, this is 134,400. So this is the number of smaller cylinders obtained. There's a quantity that's very, very easy. For a complete lesson on WASSCE, core mathematics, or that is general mathematics or further mathematics, please call the numbers you are seeing on the screen right now. It contains wonderful lessons. The pen drive contains wonderful lessons. A lot of questions are being solved. Get a copy first. It is very, very affordable. Let's consider the question B. WASSCE 2021, question number 8B. Now it says that the unit digit of a 2-digit number is 1 less than the 10th digit. If the number is increased by 8 and then divided by the sum of the digits, the result is 8. We should find the number. Now we are being told that 2-digit number. So clearly we can see that if we say probably let xy, this be the 2-digit number. We know this is the unit and then this is the tens. So this we can rewrite this as 10x plus y, because the x, this is the 10th digit and then this is the unit digit. Now we are being told that the unit digit, which is y is the unit digit. Now the unit digit of a 2-digit number is 1 less than the 10th digit. So clearly, what can we see? Y is equal to x minus 1. And this would be our first equation. The unit digit of a 2-digit number is 1 less than the 10th digit. So the unit digit here is x. So y is equal to x minus 1. That will be our first equation. That's very easy. Saying that if the number is increased by 8, the number is increased by 8. Now what is the number? The number is xy. But this xy we can write as what? 10x plus y. And this is increased by 8. So that is 10x plus y plus 8. We've increased it by 8. And then divided by the sum of the digit. Now what is the digit? The digit is what? xy. So the sum of the digit, that is x plus y over x plus y. We're being given that the result is 8. Now let's cross multiply. So this is over 1. We can cross multiply. So you have 10x plus y plus 8 equal to 8x plus y. We expand the right hand side using the distributive property. So you have 10x plus y plus 8 equal to 8x plus 8y. Let's break this down. Let this one come here. So we have 10x minus 8x. This is coming here. Plus y. This is coming here. Minus 8y plus 8. And this is just equal to 0. 10x minus 8x. And this is just 2x. Y minus 8y. This is negative 7y plus 8. This is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 2. Now this equation 1, this equation 2. So you can see that put equation 1 into equation 2. Now what is y? Y is x minus 1. So you have 2x minus 7y. But then our y is x minus 1 plus 8. And this is just equal to 0. Now let's expand it. So you have 2x. This time this 7x, later negative positive 7 times 1, 7 plus 8, and this is just equal to 0. Now 2x minus 7x, and this is giving us negative 5x. Now 7 plus 8, that is 15, and this is just equal to 0. Negative 5x equal to negative 15. Once find x, we divide both sides by negative 5. This cancelling that, this cancelling that, this cancelling that. 5 go 1, 5 will go 3. So you have x to be equal to 3. What is y? So we we put x equal to 3 into either 1 or 2. Clearly, 1 is an easy equation. We can easily find our y. So we have y to be x minus 1. What is x? X is 3. 3 minus 1. And this is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. Hence the number, the number is what? X, y. And what is our x? Our x is 3. What is our y? Our y is 2. So this is the number. The number is 32. And that is very, very easy. So we said that, you see, the xy can be written as 10x plus y. What is our x? X is 3. 10 times 3 plus the y, which is 2. And clearly this is what? 32. Let's go through. We are being told that the unit digits is 1 less than the tens digits. So the unit digits is what? 2. And we are being told is. So that is 2 is what? That is 1 less than the clearly 3 minus 1. And this is the same as that. Now we're also being told that if the number is increased by 8 and then divided by the sum of the digits. So if the number is increased by 8, that is 32 plus 8. And this is divided by the sum of the numbers. That's 3 plus 2. And then we are, so 3 plus 8, 32 plus 8, that's 40 and 5. And clearly this is giving us 8. And this, so our number is x, y is equal to 32. This is just to explain. There's no part of the solution, but just to explain that this is our answer. That is very, very trivial. So this is not difficult. Get a copy of the product you are seeing on the screen. It would make you very, very confident, very, very bold to face any question whatsoever that is put before you. It contains excellent, precise and concise lessons on complete WASSCE, and that is WASSCE core mathematics or further mathematics. Please call the numbers right now for a copy of this amazing product.